Hello, and welcome to Memorial Healthcare System's Skype chat, where we'll be bringing you helpful tips from specialists throughout the system about how to keep yourself and your family safe and healthy during the COVID-19 pandemic. Today, I'm excited to talk to Dr. Ashwin Mehta. He's the Director of Integrative Medicine at Memorial Healthcare System about how pregnant moms can stay stress-free during these very challenging times. Hi, Dr. Mehta. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Hi, Batya. Thanks for having me on. Happy to be here.
Thank you. So obviously, pregnant moms are in a very unique situation. So we want to talk to you just briefly to give pregnant moms some tips about how to keep their anxiety levels down.
So the useful tips include two categories very broadly. One is proactive preparation, and the other is preventive practices. Stress oftentimes comes from this sense that we have very little control over what's going on around us. So in order to eliminate some of that anxiety or alleviate some of that anxiety, what we can do is take proactive control over those things which we do have control over. Mm-hmm. So, creating an overnight bag, a ready bag, so to speak, if you are close to term, is a very important number one practice. Number two, now that you're home and sheltering in place, really put some thought into your home environment. What type of environment are you going to be bringing your newborn into? That in and of itself helps us eliminate and mitigate certain aspects of stress. Using some preventive practices is also very important. These preventive practices can include a prenatal yoga session once a day, a prenatal multivitamin, a prenatal probiotic. These are exercise, mindfulness, and meditation practices. All of these things are sort of within the category of our preventive practices. So if we take some time to establish those routines, incorporate a little bit of reflective, it could be journal writing, it could be a gratitude practice, it could be devotional, aspects of our routines. Just incorporating these into our day-to-day really helps anchor us and helps us feel more grounded. In addition to that, I think connecting virtually is also a really nice thing. There are online support groups for pregnant women at all different stages of pregnancy, and also kind of calling ahead of time and maintaining a good rapport with your obstetrician and your obstetric team. It's very important because a lot of policies in the hospitals have changed. Is your significant other going to be allowed with you while you're delivering? I mean, this is an important question. Just having that knowledge ahead of time will help you from being broadsided by changes that may be actually uncomfortable for you.
It sounds like really just staying active and doing as much prep work, even cleaning your home, just designing the nursery are all things that you can do to help relieve some of that stress.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Is there anything else you'd like to add before we end our Skype chat?
No, that's about it. I think we covered it all.
Take care and stay safe.
You as well. Pleasure. Bye-bye.
Take care.